Hello guys, welcome to Imperial Academy. Myself Std.8. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 8 Metal, Non-Metal, Chemical Properties. So today we will discuss only two chemical properties of metal with oxygen and with water. Right. So let's start. So first of all, when metal react with oxygen, what happens? It forms metal oxide, right? So here is one example. When aluminium metal react with oxygen, it gives aluminium oxide, right? So it is not in balance condition, so let's balance it. Here we can see in the right hand side there are 3 oxygen. Same way in the left hand side there are 2 oxygen, so multiply it by 3 over here, and in the right hand side multiplied by 2. Now in the both the side total number of oxygens are 6. Now we can see here in the right hand side number of aluminiums are 4. So in the left hand side there will be 4. Now this equation is in balance condition. Now when aluminium oxide react with water, what happens? Aluminium hydroxide will be, right? So we can see in the right hand side, in the left hand side there are 2 aluminium, right hand side there are 1 aluminium, right? So before we balance it, just multiply 2 over here. Now total number of hydrogen 1, 2 right side and left side 2. Now total number of oxygen in the right side 6 but left side 4. So do one thing. See, multiply aluminium by 2. So total 4 aluminium. Now here will be 4 aluminium. Now 4 3s are 12 hydrogen right hand side, left hand side will be 6. So 12 hydrogen and oxygen 2 3s are 6 and 6 12, and oxygen is also 6. Now this equation is in balance condition. Now magnesium. So when magnesium react with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide, right? So this equation is not in balance condition. So first of all, multiply at right hand side by 2. So 2 oxygen right, 2 oxygen left. Now 2 magnesium left, 2 magnesium right. Now when magnesium oxide react with magnesium hydroxide, what happens? Magnesium oxide react with water, it gives magnesium hydroxide. So just balance it. I think this equation is already in balance condition, right? So no need to balance it. Now sodium. So when sodium metal react with oxygen, it gives sodium oxide. So let's balance it. Left hand side multiply by 2. So 2 sodium right side, 2 sodium left side, right? Now number of oxygen left side 2, right side is only 1. So multiplied by 2. Now again sodium at right side are 4 but left side 2. So now this equation is in balance condition. Now when sodium oxide react with water, it gives sodium hydroxide. So just balance it. Left side 2 sodium, so right side 2 sodium. Now total number of oxygen and hydrogen at right side are 2. So left side hydrogen oxygen are 2. So this equation also is in balance condition right now. Now calcium. When calcium react with oxygen, it gives calcium oxide. So in the left side 2 oxygen, right side 1 oxygen, so multiplied by 2. Now right side 2 calcium, left side 1, so multiplied by 2. Now when calcium oxide react with calcium water, it gives calcium hydroxide, right? Now let's balance it. See, this equation is in balance condition. Calcium 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 2 and oxygen 2 at right side also. Now copper. When copper react with oxygen, it gives copper oxide, this equation. So let's balance it. So multiplied by 2 by here. So right side 2 copper, left side 2 copper, right side 2 oxygen, left side 2 oxygen. Now when copper oxide react with water, it gives copper hydroxide. So no need to balance this equation, it is already in balance condition. Now non-metal. When non-metal react with oxygen, it gives non-metallic oxide like carbon. So when carbon react with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. This is already in balance condition. But when carbon dioxide react with water, it gives when carbon dioxide react with water, it gives carbonic acid, H2CO3, hydrocarbonic acid is called as, right? Now this is also in balance condition, no need to balance. Now sulfur. So when sulfur react with oxygen, it gives sulfur dioxide. So this is also in balance. Now next is sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide react with water, it gives sulfurous acid, right? So just no need to balance this because it is already in balance condition. Now reaction with water. Second one is when metal react with water, what happens? So when metal react with water, it gives metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas will be released. Same way, sometimes it also gives metal oxide also and hydrogen gas will be released. Let's see examples. Sodium. So when sodium react with water, it gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas will be released with heat also, right? So let's balance it. Here we can see in the right side 3 hydrogen, left side 2 hydrogen. So multiplied by 2 here. Now we can see hydrogen 4, left side hydrogen 2 multiplied by 2. So both side hydrogen are 4 and oxygen is also 4. But now sodium left side 1, right side 2. So multiplied by 2 in left side. Now this equation is in balance condition. Now when potassium react with water, it gives potassium hydroxide, hydrogen gas will be released with heat also. So let's balance. So first multiply 2 over here. Now right side hydrogen are 4 and left side 2. So multiplied by 2. Now oxygen, both the side oxygens are 2, right? Now potassium here 2 potassiums. Now left side 1, so multiplied by 2. Now magnesium. When magnesium react with water, it gives magnesium oxide. So let's balance it and hydrogen gas will be released also here. Here hydrogen 2, left side, right side 2, left side oxygen 1, right side 1, left side magnesium 1, right side magnesium 1. Now this equation is in balance condition. Now when zinc react with water, it gives zinc oxide and hydrogen gas will be released. This equation is also in balance condition. Now come to the ferrous. Iron. When iron react with water, it gives iron oxide, right? it gives iron oxide and hydrogen gas will be released. This equation we need to balance. So first of all, oxygen in the right side 4, left side 1, so multiplied by 4. Now hydrogen how many? Here is 4, 8 hydrogen, 4 to the 8, so here will be 4 to the 8 hydrogen. Now here ferrous is 3, here ferrous is 1, so multiplied by 3. Now this equation is in balance condition. Now non-metal. Most of the non-metals do not react with water, but phosphorus vigorously react with air, that's why it is stored in water, right? So guys, these were the chemical properties of metal and non-metal with oxygen and with water, right? Thank you guys, have a nice day.